Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday, tomorrow 18th of March 2024, and the week will end on Friday 22nd of March 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Last prediction went very nice, and thank you so much for your kind feedback, all of you who made profits. Congratulations and thank you for letting me know. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and let's find out what we can get in the upcoming week. So right here, as you can see at this present moment, I'm on the euro dollar chart and there is a lot of stuff going on, obviously discussed in my previous weekly forecast videos. And those who are sending me messages for this entry, well, from my side, this is what I can do. For all of you, from your side, what you can do is you can just give me a thumbs up on my video. So this trade went very nicely 2 weeks ago, and a fantastic one it was. Right here, if I see the gold US dollar at a glance, definitely a very nice sell setup is almost ready to be taken. So I will be discussing it today as well. And dollar yen, obviously, and the dollar index and the pound dollar, all of these instruments I have to discuss them today in detail. I will try to keep the analysis as simple as I can so that even a beginner trader who is watching my video at this time should understand what I want to say or what message I want to convey to those traders. So moving to the dollar index first of all, and dollar index, a lot of analysis is going on. Definitely I will be deleting some of it and I will be trying to run a fresh analysis over it, so that those traders who have joined me or who are watching me for the first time should get at least an idea about my strategy, which gives obviously 80% of the time correct analysis with stop losses this much and take profit this much if taken properly the trades. So right here on the dollar index, 105 and 102 for almost like 3-4 months is now a place for me to look for my potential profit. So as I said, a very nice sell trade taken from there, and this whole trend line established almost in February on a daily time frame. And if I go a bit to the weekly time frame, you can see that this drop is not just a simple drop. This drop belongs to these people. One back in November, I used to analyze the markets. You will remember that this was on my radar list, and then we took sell opportunities from there. So obviously this is market, it has to go up and it has to go down. We cannot do anything about it at this present moment. If we see, dollar index is clearly standing at a very nice support zone, right? A very nice and fantastic and clean support zone it is. So I will be running my analysis and will be giving you a complete conclusion about it. So let's delete everything because I have to run my fresh analysis over it very quickly. And right here on the weekly time frame, I'm on a this chart. Let's switch to the daily time frame and find that impulsive wave. I just want to show you how simple this strategy is. Just have a look at it. This is an impulsive like discussed previously, and if I see the Fibonacci, you can clearly see that the Fibonacci worked very nicely. See this whole impulsive wave and this 61.8% retracement. Even if I do it this way, still 61.8% retracement. You can find it right here near a price zone of 105, and almost since 2 months I'm keep saying this 105 is going to be a fantastic zone for taking sell opportunities. If I get a chance, I will try to edit this video and I will try to add those clips from those videos where I said 105 is going to be a fantastic sell zone. So till here you must have no confusion. Very, very simple. 105. Check out some of the previous videos and you will understand it. So this at the moment is my current impulsive wave, and right here if we see, if we see, this is a very nice drop, and there is another impulsive wave right here, and you can clearly see. And if this is an impulsive wave, definitely it will have a 61.8% retracement. So as you can see, market took a very fantastic 61.8% retracement all the way from 102. Again, check out my previous videos. So 102, now 102 and 105, the market is trading in between this. This is, if I say, this is a very long term, this whole impulsive wave, this is a long term ride. It may take more time to complete. This is a bit short term, and we can say that this is a pullback of this move, like a drop, a pullback, and this is the continuation. And at the continuation point, there is a very tricky thing. Most of the traders took sell trades right here. That was a complete wrong mistake, because if you are dealing with a daily time frame, you should be on a daily time frame, and you should keep your targets realistic, and you should plan your trades in advance. That's what I teach in my courses. So this is a very fantastic one. If I take out this impulsive leg right here, you can very easily see that this will be an ABCD pattern completion, and this is also an indication of a sort of like a pattern. You can say I will be completing it right here. So at this present moment, this is going bullish, and if I go further to the H4, the analysis will become so much lengthy. So I want to see the market trading above this. I will be bullish towards this zone right here, and let me also complete this impulsive leg, or this pattern I should say. And this is going to be a very nice and fantastic pattern on dollar index at this present moment. No one share these pro stuff free of cost. So in a dropping market, or in a falling market, in a trending up market, the market is dropping with several corrections, and if you pick your direction to the right side of the market, that will be fantastic. Now remember, I'm planning 106.576 as a sell opportunity, and that opportunity we will be seeing right here, maybe a double top, or I will be discussing that in another video when the market will be trading there. So a very good impulsive wave, and very less stop losses involved, so anyone who want to trade it may trade it. Moving on to the dollar yen, and the dollar yen, this sell trade I gave moved very, very nicely on a weekly. For 3 weeks it moved very nice. Now right here I want to show you something, and that is the market took this support, which was exactly expected. The market is going, like, it was in my expectation that the market is going to do this, though 147.890 was the take profit zone from right here. Now let's find out the impulsive wave right here, and let me show you if you want to trade dollar yen, how you will be able to trade it. Since the dollar index is showing a bullish, so this one is also now showing a bullish, and this pattern, if you see, sometime I will make a separate video about it if I get enough comments and feedback from all of you. This double top it created indicates that it is most likely going to be breaking this high. So this impulsive leg, obviously this, the rules are violated for this one. If we see, and if I show you, there was a 61.8% retracement, and the market exactly created that same 61.8% retracement as a support. See right here, 61.8 is right here, and exactly a support is created right here by the market, which means that there is a good chance the market is going to break this high. But at this stage, personally, I'm not going for any sort of buying opportunities, but obviously I will be looking for sell opportunities. So if I will be selling the market, where I will be looking for sell opportunities, for that I have to take Fibonacci and find. Now this is obviously my impulsive wave, though we haven't seen any break above. If you enroll in my course, I will teach you this concept, because you can identify good trades very very early. So 61.8% retracement, this created a support, and this was the original 61.8 from where the market was supposed to be taking a bounce. So what I'm going to do is, this is A to B, and I will be plotting it right here, and this is going to be my sell area. So in the upcoming week, or in the upcoming few weeks, if the market drops right here, I'm going to take a buy. And at the moment I still see that it is going to create 154.898, a new high, I should say higher than the previous year, October 2022. So this will be a high. Most of the people, traders, will be thinking, let's buy, let's buy. It has created a new high, but there on the dollar index it will be testing 106, and dollar yen will be testing 154.898. So try to take your decisions very very wisely. Gold, on this bullish rally, what I discussed was to take a buy trade near this zone, and as you can see, the market created a support and moved very very nicely to the top side of the market, which is a very ideal way of looking at it at the market at this stage. So I'm trying to see, like, this is also completed right here. So those traders who took buy positions, they are completed, and if I count the number of pips, it will be way more than what your expectations are. So let's have a look at it on the weekly a little bit, to get a very nice idea about the market. And this is what I call the bird's eye view on the weekly time frame. What the market did is, seems like 2156, you will remember I already discussed it 2-3 months ago, for the long term traders and those clients who are with me for as an investors who are with me having bigger accounts. So all of them made excellent profits right here, and you will remember what I said is, exactly, it may not be completed, but we can say that it is almost completed. But the exact completion will be 2248. So I will encourage anyone who is taking sell opportunities to put their stop losses above it, or for the buying opportunities, I will recommend let the market drop towards this trend line once again. I will be adjusting it like this, and this is now going to be my impulsive wave. So let's see, it is dropping at the moment, and a very nice sell can be planned towards 1917. There is a good chance the market can drop in the future, not specifically in the upcoming week, but it has to drop, and obviously the sellers can make profits out of it. There was one hidden level we had, and I also discussed that in my previous videos. So I hope you make lots and lots of profits from this particular trade setup. Okay, now moving on to the pound dollar. And on the pound dollar, if you see, I want to show you this big trend line. I discussed it in my previous videos, and I will be trying to make a recap of it, because most of you don't believe it. I'm not sure why, but this one buy trade we took, then the market gave us this support. See, support created above 1.25523. Most of you will remember that it was ranging in between these two zones, and there was a very nice and fantastic sell opportunity we had. So on the pound dollar, I want to see, and I want to follow this bigger trend line. And you know, this bigger trend line is all the way with us from the weekly time frame, all the way from 2014. So around 10 years worth of trend line it is. A very strong trend line it is, but it has rejected the market, and there is a very good sell opportunity with a very less stop loss can be availed on the pound dollar. So I want to delete some of these lines and levels at this stage, so that I can analyze the market nicely. Now this is going to be a very nice and fantastic uh, level with us, or I should say this is going to be a very fantastic trend line or impulsive wave. And if we see where the market is going to drop, most probably the market is going to drop towards there 61.8% retracement. If I find out this zone and if I make it like this, you can very easily see that, see, the market plotted an impulsive wave, bounced off from a trend line, a very nice trend line, a bounce off, and obviously now the market is going to drop till here. Most of the traders, day traders, weekly traders, can close their position, partial positions right here. And if the market try to go back up, created a double top, a very nice sell again can be traded. For those who missed this, really, though I have made myself clear in the previous videos, so it was a very fantastic one. I'm not sure if those who didn't traded it, why they did not traded it. But this is where 1.23 1.24 is a place where I will be looking for a buying opportunities. We have a very fantastic support. Remember everyone, whenever you analyze a market and whenever you find a level, let's suppose this is my level 1.24 or 1.23 this is my level for a reversal, and I'm planning for a buy opportunity. I definitely have to look to the left side of the market to find out what the market did right here. See, when the market was at this support 1.23243, what it did is it gave a buying opportunity. So don't you think if the market dropped till here, since it already has created a sort of high, if we see there was an impulsive leg and this impulsive leg has a Fibonacci, so the market breached that Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. Just have a look at it quickly. I want to show you the market breached this level, so it means this impulsive leg is now no more valid for us. We will be sticking with this one, a drop and a buy trade towards the trend line. So then we have to decide what this trend line is going to give us. There is a good resistance as well all the way with us from Monday 17th July 2023. So a very nice trading opportunity, and I highly appreciate everyone who will be trading this, no doubt on a demo account, but you should at least practice it so that you can understand the ABCD strategy that I usually discuss. And this is actually the only one strategy I have with which I trade. So yes, I want to show you my WhatsApp number. Those then who ask me, this is my WhatsApp number, where it is, let me quickly show you. And those of you who are watching me from Pakistan and India, who are native speaker Hindi, Urdu, so I'm planning to launch my live streams in regional language once again. Due to Ramadan, the commitments are, or the schedule is a bit tight. I'm also spending time with the clients, solving their problems on WhatsApp, solving their trade issues. If a trade is executed at the wrong place, I guide them, I give them hedging trades, I teach everything which I think the trader should know if he wants to make profit. So this is my WhatsApp number. Anyone who is interested to get my services, I am always right here and I will make you a better trader. Okay, so pound dollar, I think it should be clear enough now, and there must be no sort of confusion. A very simple trade setup it is. I'm personally waiting for a buy, but sell can be taken on those lower time frames, H4, H1. For that you will need my strategy if you want to trade it on the lower time frames, H4, H1, and M15, M5, M1. It depends what type of trader you are. So if you are willing to join my course, I can make that type of trader which you want to become. Moving on to the euro US dollar and euro US dollar, if we see, it did the same thing that I discussed. Is it any different, my friend? Just tell me, and just let me know, is it any different? Let's hide this, as well. This I want to hide everything. This 109814 was ideal for a sell. It did 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it dropped very nicely giving us this impulsive wave. So I don't want to make it too much complicated. I want to make it or keep it simple, and the simplicity of this one is to look for 108079 as a support, and right here I will be trying to take a buy position, and the setup will look something like this. So for a buy position, this will be very perfect. You can trade it on the lower time frames, and obviously for the sell setup, see, it is clearly indicating towards the top. So that's why I'm more interested in buying opportunities than selling. So right here I'm waiting. If the market drops, I will be again become a bullish, and 1.13570 and maybe 1.15, these are the two levels this time market will be reaching there. But at this present stage, dollar index there is on a bullish wave. So these euros and these other pairs definitely will be showing some signs of reversal, and those traders who want to take sell opportunities, well, believe me, this is also a fantastic opportunity. So I'm going to delete this. This is one of my level. If you are looking at it as a buy, from here as a buy story. If you are looking at a sell, well, the sell story can be a very drastic, and the sell story right here, I want to follow it, but this is a very long term one. See, the market created a double top up there, retest of the resistance, this impulsive leg respected this 61.8% retracement. This, if I draw Fibonacci from there, let me show you actually. It's not technical, don't worry about that. See, 61.8% retracement, not just once but twice market rejected from there. So obviously this much it has to drop, then we have to see if it drops till here, that will be a bonus. So just have a look at it, and this is going to be a fantastic support zone with us, from where we can see our long-term targets and our long-term buying entries. And these are different plans I have discussed, like taking a buy from here is a different plan, taking a sell above the break below towards 105359 is a different plan, uh, taking a sell from 1.10976 is a different plan. So I am trying to give you different plans, so because I have no idea, day traders are watching me, long-term traders are watching me, there is a complete mixture. And if you let me know in the comment section that how many of you are day traders, how many of you are swing traders, then I will be more precise in my analysis. And I think uh, feedback is very much important for any mentor. I need your feedback so that I can make my content in that way. Right now I assume you guys know my strategy, and with that perspective in my mind, that thing in my mind, I'm explaining these markets and analyzing these markets. But most of you who join me right now, or for the first time, or this is your first month or first week, then I think you should let me know in the comment section down below, because most of the things I have discussed them, and if you want me to discuss them again on these present live charts, then you can just let me know and I will be explaining them. So this is the euro US dollar. Remember everyone, I request all of you to please place stop loss. I keep repeat, and I will be repeating unless it becomes your habit. Place stop loss and try to stick with one strategy. Try to stick with one strategy, my friends. This is a pro tip I will give you. And even if you want to join my course, try even, like, you have to repeat these things. Wherever there is less greed required, you have to repeat it. You have to show less greed. You have, where it is it requires to have more patience, you have to show more patience, my friend. This is so much important, believe me. This forex is full of opportunities, but what you have to do is, and what is on your part, that is patience, less greed, proper strategy, and obviously you need a mentor. You can hire someone else, you can hire me for your decisions. So it was the weekly forex forecast video. I hope you guys make lots and lots of profits, and if you make profits, do let me know in the comment section on my WhatsApp number as well, because it gave me a sense of pleasure that okay, with from my analysis someone somewhere out there in the globe is making profits. So my friends, my audience, and my colleagues, I should say, pray for me. I pray for you. This is a very holy month for me, and that's why you are watching this video one day late. So I hope it will be a good start. Try to subscribe the channel, thumbs up the video, and give me your feedback. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.